అంతకన్నా మంచి పోలికేది నాకు తట్టలేదు గాని అమ్మో ఈ లవ్ అనేది బబ్లు గమ్ము అంటుకున్నదంటే పోదు నమ్ము ముందు నుంచి అందరన్న మాటే గాని మళ్ళీ అంటున్నానే అమ్ము ఇది చెప్పకుండా వచ్చే తుమ్ము ప్రేమ నా పలేవు నన్ను నమ్ము.
Hi Haripriya, congratulations for your marriage. We are very very happy for you. And we
वैसे मैं आ रही हूँ बैंगलोर, तेरे हाथ का भी खा सकती हूँ बाहर अगर नहीं.
This will get sorted out. We'll do some get together with the new family member Krishna. So the party get.
I still remember the time when we met first time. विवेक सर क्लास ले रहे थे और हम सब बैठे थे और क्लास होने के बाद लास्ट में तूने क्वेश्चन पूछा था क्या कुछ इशू था समथिंग.
मुझे अभी से ही वंशी के ऊपर बहुत तरस आ रहा है बिकॉज तुम लोगों का कभी भी झगड़ा हुआ तू तो मुंह पे उसका बेइज्जती कर देगी बिकॉज तूने तो आज तक अपने सुपरवाइजर्स को भी नहीं छोड़ा है.
सो ऐसे बहुत से हैं. डू यू रिमेंबर दैट प्लास्टिक बॉटल जिसमें मैंने गर्म पानी भर दिया था. स्टिल यू आर कर्सिंग मी फॉर दैट आई नो बट या.
I still remember you showing us Krishna's photo for the first time and we all got pretty excited to attend a South Indian wedding.
Hi Haripriya, congratulations for your marriage. We are very very happy for you. And we really really miss your wedding because we have already thought like कि ये करेंगे वो करेंगे नाचेंगे गाएंगे. But yeah, कोई नहीं, अगले बार शायद प्रेरणा की शादी में करेंगे सब अगर वो लॉकडाउन में नहीं करी तो. Okay, so yeah, we will meet after lockdown definitely.
Hi हरिप्रिया, पोटी पंदी और क्या क्या कहूँ. I still remember the time when we met first time. विवेक सर क्लास ले रहे थे और हम सब बैठे थे और क्लास होने के बाद लास्ट में तूने क्वेश्चन पूछा था क्या कुछ इशू था समथिंग. Like actually I got my location as a Hyderabad but in the end they asked me to join Pune. बाकी तो तेरा नेचर एकदम राउंड, किसी को नहीं डरती, सबकी वाट लगा देती है. खाना तो एकदम मस्त बना थी. The time we spent is very cherishable and we'll always remember each and every moment that we spent together. Very supportive. और क्या कहूँ.
Hi HP, hope you are doing great. और बहुत बिजी हो गए अपनी शादी के अरेंजमेंट को लेकर. We are really happy for you. But in the other hand थोड़ा सा में अफसोस ज़रूर रहेगा कि we will miss Haripriya's marriage. Due to this pandemic, everyone knows the situation, right? So once this will get sorted out, we will do some get together with the new family member Krishna. So तो पार्टी का खर्चा तुम देना, उस टाइम में रोना मत कि मेरी सैलरी कम है एंड ऑल. सो जस्ट किडिंग हो. सो
आखिर हमारे ग्रुप के सबसे अंडरएज लड़की का सबसे पहले शादी हुआ है. बहुत सारे प्लानिंग किए थे, कोई नहीं, कोरोना ने सब कुछ बिगाड़ दिया. जिस दिन मिलेंगे उस दिन खूब पार्टी करेंगे. वैसे मैं आ रही हूँ बैंगलोर, तेरे हाथ का भी खा सकती हूँ बाहर अगर नहीं भी खिला पाए तो. ठीक है, खुश रहे हमेशा, तेरी लाइफ मस्त जाए.
Hi Sundari, कैसी है यार. You're finally getting married and I can't believe you're getting married without us. Like हमारा तो सपना था that we all will get reunited at your marriage and then finally we'll get to eat Guntu's food, which is apparently better than all the spiceless food in this world according to you. But let it be. We'll meet in Bangalore and we'll surely party at your home. But till then मुझे अभी से ही वंशी के ऊपर बहुत तरस आ रहा है बिकॉज तुम लोगों का कभी भी झगड़ा हुआ तू तो मुंह पे उसका बेइज्जती कर देगी बिकॉज तूने तो आज तक अपने सुपरवाइजर्स को भी नहीं छोड़ा है, अपने पति को क्या ही छोड़ेगी. बट इवन मोर देन दैट आई एम वेरी जेलस ऑफ हिम राइट नाउ. नॉट बिकॉज ही इज गेटिंग मैरिड टू वन ऑफ द कूलेस्ट पर्सन आई हैव एवर नोन but because he'll get to eat lemon rice whenever he feels like. But jokes apart, I am really very happy for you. Thank you for giving us such a wonderful news during the tough times. I feel bad because we are not able to attend your marriage, but then I feel very happy for you right now and I wish you and Vamsi.
Hey, hi, finally D-Day. तू शादी कर रही है, you are getting married now. So unfortunately we can't come because of the situation. That too, we can't come in 50 count. Just kidding. So hopefully this new step will comes with most of the success in your life. Or there are so many memories we already know, we already share those things. Like Pranav ने एक बताया, like first interaction of mine with you was like I was a mentor and I was giving some KT session I believe. तो उसके बाद मुझे पता चला that you people feel that I am very intelligent, which perception got changed after the time has passed. So ऐसे बहुत से हैं. Do you remember that plastic bottle जिसमें मैंने गर्म पानी भर दिया था? Still you are cursing me for that, I know. But yeah, time has flown and now you are getting married. So enjoy your newly married life. और हर फेस के साथ कुछ लर्निंग मिलेगी that you accept and enjoy your life fully जैसा तो अभी तक करती आई है. And so many things to tell, but इतने छोटे मैसेज में can't elaborate it all. Mostly our conversation with Angler will surely go on. जब तेरा सब कुछ सेटल हो जाएगा तब फिर से अब हम लोग एक दूसरे को क्वेश्चन करेंगे regarding Angler and JavaScript and any of the technology you know. तो चल.
Hi Hari, I still can't believe you are going to be Mrs. Haripriya in some days. I still remember you showing us Krishna's photo for the first time and we all got pretty excited to attend a South Indian wedding. Your names are also made for each other, you know. It's the same as Lord Krishna and Goddess Lakshmi. So just a thought that came to my mind just few minutes ago. I really wanted to see you as a bride. You are going to make one of the most prettiest ones. Do send lots of videos and photos because I really wanted to see you and Krishna in one frame. And would love to interact with Krishna sometime, so do video call together after your marriage. Really hoping to meet all of you in Bangalore. May God bless you and may you both always be happy as you start this new journey of your life. Love you Hari, miss you and hoping to see you very soon. Stay blessed, sweetheart.
నవ్వకో నువ్వు నవ్వుద్దని నాకు తెలుసు, నవ్వు మాకు. చిరాగ్గా ఉందని తల్లి హెయిర్ తీసేసాను. సారీ. చాలా చేద్దాం అనుకున్నాను నీ పెళ్ళికి, చాలా హడావిడి చేద్దాం అనుకున్నాను, కానీ ఇప్పుడు ఒకే స్టేట్లో ఉన్న పెళ్ళికి రాలేకపోతున్నా. సారీ ఫర్ దాట్. ఇక్కడ రెడ్ జోన్, నేను రెడ్ జోన్లో ఉన్నాను. సో ఇప్పుడు వచ్చినాను, మీరే భయపడతారు నేను ఎక్కడ కరోనా తీసుకొస్తున్నానని. సో ఏముండే వండ, అప్పుడే బ్యాచిలర్ పార్టీ చేసుకుందాం అనుకున్నాం, కుదరలేదు. పెళ్ళి అయిపోతుంది, ఏంటో అన్నీ అలా అయిపోతున్నాయి. పెళ్ళికి రాలేనందుకు చాలా ఫీల్ అవుతుంది. చాలా ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేశా, చాలా హడావిడి చేద్దాం అనుకున్నా, బట్ పని అవ్వట్లేదు. విత్ హెవీ హార్ట్ that I am missing your marriage. I wish you all the best for the future and have a good life all through. I miss you Banda. Have a good life.
Congratulations हरिप्रिया, तुमको जब पहली बार मिली थी तब मतलब तुमने इतनी सारी स्टोरीज बता दी मेरे को, तब उससे ही मेरे को पता चला तुम यू आर वेरी स्वीट, वेरी क्यूट एंड वेरी जेन्युइन. सो ऐसे ही रहना. और अब तो शादी करने जा रही है और सबसे छोटी तू ही है, सबसे पहले तू ही शादी कर रही है. और मेरे को आने का मन है पर आ भी नहीं सकती अभी, पर कभी मिलना उसके साथ. तुम दोनों बहुत अच्छे लगते हो एक साथ. जब तुमने फ़ोटो दिखाई थी तो भी मैंने यही बोला था, खुश रहना हमेशा.
नीली नीली
Yeah, we wish you happy married life.
Wish you happy married life. Take care. और
Take care and have a happy married life and keep up the great work.
I feel very happy for you right now, and I wish you and Vamsi both a very happy married life. Bye, we'll meet soon.
So till then, wish you a happy married life. Stay safe and enjoy. Bye.
Love you, Hari. Miss you. And hoping to see you very soon. Stay blessed, sweetheart.
హ్యాపీ మ్యారీడ్ లైఫ్ బాయ్.
लाइफ मस्त जाए. बाय.
నీలి నీలి ఆకాశం ఇద్దామనుకున్నా